At the New York Hilton Midtown, we go all out for Halloween. It is something unexpected, but it's really very natural. If you think about it, when people think of Halloween, they always think of obviously confections, candy, and stuff like that. But there's other ways to impart sweetness. Our honey adds a little bit of complexity. It's incorporated all over the menu. The bees will go and pollinate Central Park, and you'll get notes of lavender, mint, and those flavors come together to really make for an interesting flavor profile. Hi, I'm Peter Betz, Director of Culinary at New York Hilton Midtown. And this is Off the Menu with Hilton. So to make your honey Halloween cupcakes, the first thing you're gonna do is melt your chocolate and butter. Next, we're gonna mix the wet ingredients. Start with eggs, water, vanilla, sour cream, and as you're mixing, you're pouring in the sugar slowly. You're gonna unmix till all ingredients are smooth and incorporated. Next thing you're gonna do is mix in the chocolate. And go ahead and continue to mix, fully incorporating. And the next thing you're gonna wanna do is combine the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour and baking soda. You wanna make sure to do this separately. The next step is to incorporate the dry into the wet. You wanna do this until it's smooth and no clumps. And incorporate all the product together. Next thing you're gonna do is bring in your pre-lined cupcake pan. You're gonna wanna fill the cupcake liners with an ice cream scoop about 3/4 of the way up. Next, these are going in the oven at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. What we're trying to do here is make food that's really approachable, like comfort foods, but using the best possible ingredients. That's great, guys. Thank you. We have partnerships with local vendors where our food automatically defaults to local farms whenever available. Everything is ready?
Yes, everything's good.
Thank you. And so we don't try to overcomplicate the recipes. We're trying to make them simple, wholesome, but just using the absolute best product we can buy. When they come out of the oven, the cupcakes should be very spongy. It's one of the things I like about this recipe that uses actual chocolate as opposed to cocoa powder. Make sure to let them cool before starting to decorate. The next step is going to be the frosting, made of white chocolate and generous amounts of our rooftop honey. For those of you making this at home, I recommend you buying the highest quality local honey you can get. You're going to use a star tip and a pastry bag, and you're going to want to start in the center and work your way out and around. And when you're done, sweep away. And then on to the decorations. You can have a lot of fun with this. You can go to your favorite confection store and everyone gets to decorate the cupcakes however they like. It should be unique to everyone. Just have fun with it. Our Midtown Halloween cupcakes wouldn't be complete without a little bit of honey from our rooftop bees. And that's how you make your honey Halloween cupcakes. Happy Halloween, everyone. Enjoy your cupcakes. I love Halloween because I think it's just one of those holidays, one of those times a year that really brings you back to your childhood. There's a child inside of all of us, and it takes something like that to bring it out. The hives on the rooftop started at the Waldorf Astoria, where I was formerly working as the executive chef. And upon closing for renovation, we relocated them to the rooftop at the New York Hilton. As a team, we built this rooftop garden oasis. I estimate we have anywhere between 300,000 to 500,000 bees on the rooftop. The bees are singularly focused, just like the kitchen. I have a responsibility to these bees. They work very hard to make sure that we have something special and unique. They take really good care of us, so I have to take good care of them.